Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to create on Wix. First, you will choose between starting with a blank canvas, selecting one of over 800 professional templates, or letting the Wix artificial design intelligence build a personalized site for you in minutes. Then, you can easily customize every element using the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. It's a straightforward process to get your online presence started. Once you have your foundation, dive into design. Wix offers extensive customization options. You can change colors, fonts, and backgrounds with just a few clicks. The drag-and-drop editor allows you to place elements exactly where you want them, giving you complete creative control. This ensures your website truly reflects your unique vision and brand identity. Beyond basic design, Wix empowers you to add powerful functionalities. Easily set up an online store to sell products, complete with secure payment gateways. You can also create a dynamic blog to share your insights and connect with visitors. For service-based businesses, integrate a booking system to manage appointments efficiently, all within your site. The final step is to make your website live for the world to see. Connect a custom domain name to give your site a professional edge. Utilize Wix's built-in SEO tools to help your site rank higher in search results. With everything in place, simply click the Publish button, and your new, professional website will be online in moments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.